In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Wix website with HTTPS and SSL security. This process is essential because securing your website not only helps protect your visitors' data, but can also improve your site's trustworthiness and potentially its rankings in search engines. So let's dive into the steps to ensure your Wix website is HTTPS and SSL secure. Before we start, it's crucial to understand what HTTPS and SSL are. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and it's the secure version of HTTP, the protocol over which data is sent between your browser and the website that you are connected to. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is the standard security technology that establishes an encrypted link, ensuring that all data passed between the web server and browsers remain private and integral. When your website is secured with an SSL certificate, visitors will see URLs starting with HTTPS rather than HTTP. Additionally, a small lock icon will appear on the browser's address bar indicating a secure connection. Now let's move on to the steps required for enabling HTTPS and SSL on your Wix site. First, head to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access the dashboard of your site. So on the left side menu, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage various aspects of your website, like business info, currency, and importantly, domains. Next, look for the Domains section and click on it. This is where you can manage and add domains for your Wix website. If you haven't already added your domain, you'll need to do so. Adding your own domain can make your site appear more professional to visitors, as opposed to using a generic domain. After you've clicked on domains, the next step is to add your domain if you haven't done this yet. To add your domain, you can either connect a domain you already own from a different provider, or purchase a new one directly through Wix. In both cases, following the prompted instructions will guide you through this process. If you've opted to purchase a domain from Wix, the SSL certificate is included automatically. Once your domain is set up, Wix automatically provides an SSL certificate for it. So while you've done the heavy lifting, Wix does the rest, enabling HTTPS for your site. It's important to note that it may take some time for the SSL certificate to propagate completely, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantaneously. And there you have it, your Wix website is now configured with HTTPS and SSL security, providing a secure browsing environment for your visitors. Remember, this step is not just a technical necessity, but a significant move to enhance user trust and credibility for your site. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your securely fastened Wix website.